Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I will show you on how to install Chrome browser on your Windows laptop. So let's see. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your Windows laptop, and then what you'll need to do next is to simply navigate to your Edge browser right here. So simply click on your Edge browser. So after you open up your Microsoft Edge browser, next thing you want to do is to simply come to the address bar right here, and what you need to do is to simply type in Google. Then press enter. Just like so, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to google.com right here. Simply click on google.com. Then to open up just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the address bar right here. What you need to do is to simply click on download Pro. Then press enter key on your keyboard, and then it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on the first result right here. Just like so, it opens up like this. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to download Chrome. Then in a few seconds, your download setup is going to be prepared, just like what you see right here. So after a successful download the Chrome setup, next thing you want to do is to click on open file. Then this is going to pop up. Simply click on yes right here. And you can simply minimize your browser, and the initial setting up is going to start up just like what you see right here, downloading. So you have to wait for some minutes for this particular downloading setup to be complete. So after a successful installation, it takes you right here. What you want to do next is simply click on don't sign in right here, and then simply click on skip. Boom, and it takes you to your browser page, just like so. Then you can simply click on here to show more. Then simply click on got it. Everything has been successfully installed. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to install Chrome browser on your Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video like that. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.